2018 Leaving Cert Higher Level Question 1 Paper 1 started with 3 simultaneous equations to solve. We can see in the third equation there's no y, so let's eliminate y from the top two, and that should be the quickest way to do it. So if we multiply the top line by 2, we're going to get 6y, and the bottom line by minus 3, we're going to get 4x plus 6y minus 2z is equal to minus 8. So we're multiplying this one by 2. Always double check your work with these 3 simultaneous equations, as it's easy to make mistakes. Now we're going to multiply the second line by minus 3 to get minus 9x minus 6y minus 6z is equal to minus 42. And if we combine these lines, we can get rid of our y's. Minus 5x minus 8z is equal to minus 50. Now we can change them all to pluses if we need. We don't need to, because we can bring this line down and multiply it by 5. That will get rid of my x. So we're going to get 5x minus 15z is equal to 5 13ths, which is 65. And if we combine these two lines, we'll get minus 23z is equal to minus 115. So you can see that z is equal to 5. And if z is equal to 5, we can get x quite easily using this equation. X minus 3 times 5 is equal to minus 13. So x minus 15 is minus 13. So x is equal to minus 13 plus 15, which is 2. If x is 2 and z is 5, we can use any of the equations to get y, to have y in it, which is the first two. So if we use the second one, doesn't really matter which one you choose to use, we're going to get 3 times 2 plus 2y plus 2 times 5 is equal to 14. 6 plus 2y plus 10 is 14. So you're bringing 16 across and making it negative, so 2y is equal to 14 minus 16. 2y is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to minus 1. In part 2 of this question, you were asked to solve the inequality. So within these inequalities, we don't know whether this bottom number is a negative or a positive. So to eliminate that possibility, we multiply by the bottom squared. So we're going to have x plus 2 by x plus 2 multiplying by both sides. Now you can see that one of the x plus 2's here will cancel, so you don't have to write the two of them, but just to show you the maths is greater than or equal to 3 by x plus 2 by x plus 2. So on the left hand side, we're going to have 2x squared minus 3x plus 4x minus 6. And on the right hand side, we're going to have 3 times x squared plus 4x plus 4. So we're going to get 2x squared plus x minus 6 greater than or equal to 3x squared plus 12x plus 12. And bringing everything to the left, we're going to get 2x squared minus 3x squared, which is going to give me a negative x squared. So we're going to have to reverse this symbol. We'll have plus x minus 12x, and we have minus 6 minus 12 greater than or equal to 0. Minus x squared minus 11x minus 18 greater than or equal to 0. And we know in inequalities, if we change the sign, we can see here minus 7 is less than 2. But if we change both sides, 7 is not less than minus 2. 7 is greater than minus 2. So this is the reason why we need to change the signs in inequalities. Change the direction of the inequality if we change the sign. So x squared plus 11x plus 18 is less than or equal to 0. So we have x times x to give x squared. 9 by 2 to give the product to be 18 and the sum to be plus 11. So our solutions will be x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 9. But the way we write it in inequalities, we put it's less than or equal to we put the smallest number on the left, the biggest number on the right, and this is the solution set for this inequality.